Bonjour! You want to have a top grade in your French exams? Make sure you use some idioms. I have selected 10 of them for you with the hope that you will be able to include some of them in your next writing. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! The first expression I thought of is passer une nuit blanche, which means to stay up all night, because I know some of you do that. You could use it by saying j'ai passé une nuit blanche à réviser pour mon examen. I stayed up all night revising for my exam. So you could change réviser with another verb, depending on what you would be doing during the night. So it's passer une nuit blanche. And when you have done that, you want to have a long lie in bed or sleep late. Faire la grasse matinée. Grasse is fat and matinée is morning. Faire la grasse matinée. Je fais la grasse matinée le dimanche parce que je ne vais pas à l'école. I sleep late on Sundays because I don't go to school. Next, avoir du pain sur la planche. To have one's work cut out, just like the picture here. So that means to have a lot of work to do. You just need to say, j'ai du pain sur la planche. Everybody will understand that you have a lot of work to do. Avoir un faible pour quelque chose. To have a weakness for something. For example, you may want to say, like me, j'ai un faible pour le chocolat. I have a weakness for chocolate. And that's what chocolate does to me. The expression is mettre l'eau à la bouche, to make one's mouth water. So I would definitely say, l'odeur du chocolat me met l'eau à la bouche. The smell of chocolate makes my mouth water. If you are enjoying the video so far, please like it. Next, coûter les yeux de la tête. To cost an arm and a leg. For example, I say, cette voiture m'a coûté les yeux de la tête. This car cost me an arm and a leg. It means it cost me a lot of money. Because remember, your eyes are precious. Arrondir ses fins de mois. To supplement one's income. J'arrondis mes fins de mois en chantant dans un hôtel. I supplement my income by singing in a hotel. Aller comme un gant has nothing to do with to go somewhere. It just means to fit like a glove. So for example, I want to say, cette robe te va comme un gant. Elle est faite pour toi. This dress fits you like a glove. It's made for you. Tourner autour du pot, to beat around the bush. You may want to say, stop beating around the bush. Arrête de tourner autour du pot. Cela s'arrose. Let's celebrate. I know you're going to pass your French exam. Tu as réussi à ton examen de français. Cela s'arrose. You passed your French exam. Let's celebrate. Please show the examiner that you can use idioms by including one of them in your next writing. And also, I'm just going to say, please don't forget to like the video, share it, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Au revoir!